Welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Helium 10's Xray tool inside the Chrome extension to validate Amazon product ideas in under 2 minutes. Since the extension is already installed, just head over to Amazon and type in a product keyword like bamboo toothbrush or resistance bands. Once the results load, click on the Helium 10 icon in your browser and choose Xray, Amazon Product Research. Xray will instantly scan the page and show product data including monthly sales, revenue, price, reviews, and fulfillment type. Look for products with high revenue and low reviews. These are your best opportunities. Next, use the filters to narrow results by price range, sales volume, or fulfillment method like FBA only. Then, use the profitability calculator by clicking the calculator icon next to any product. Enter your estimated product and shipping costs to see your net profit and ROI instantly. You can also export the data for further analysis. Xray gives you fast, real-time insight to make smart product decisions without guessing. If you're ready to take your research further, check the video description for exclusive Helium 10 discounts. We've added one link for Indian sellers and another for those in the US, UK, and Europe. Scan the QR code or click the link that fits your region. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.